The 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa continues to carry the legacy of one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world, blending brute power with refined elegance. First introduced in 1999, the Hayabusa redefined what a high-performance motorcycle could be. Over 2 decades later, the 2026 model is more than just a successor, it's a perfected evolution. With new performance enhancements, design tweaks, and cutting-edge electronics, Suzuki has crafted a machine that honors the past while launching boldly into the future. At the heart of the 2026 Hayabusa is its tried-and-true 1340cc inline-4 engine, now refined with improved fuel injection systems, optimized intake and exhaust tuning, and lighter internal components. While it doesn't chase sheer horsepower for the sake of numbers, Suzuki has engineered the power delivery to be more linear, more usable, and significantly more responsive throughout the rev range. Riders will immediately feel the surge of torque in the mid-range, a signature Hayabusa trait, making acceleration not just powerful, but predictable and exhilarating. It's not just about top speed anymore, it's about how power is applied from every twist of the throttle. In terms of styling, the 2026 Hayabusa holds true to its aerodynamic heritage while introducing modern touches that make it more aggressive and refined. The silhouette remains unmistakable. Long, low, and wide. Subtle revisions to the fairing improve airflow, reduce drag, and enhance rider stability at high speeds. LED lighting front and rear adds a futuristic flair, while new color schemes and brushed metal finishes highlight the Hayabusa's premium feel. It's a bike that looks as fast as it feels. Even at a standstill, it commands attention. Suzuki hasn't just focused on power and looks. They've also embraced the modern rider's need for advanced electronics. The 2026 Hayabusa is equipped with the latest version of Suzuki's Intelligent Ride System (SIRS), which includes lean angle-sensitive ABS, multiple power modes, traction control, launch control, engine braking control, and a quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts. All of these systems are managed via a TFT dash that's intuitive and clear, allowing riders to tailor their ride based on skill level, road conditions, and personal preference. This suite of technology transforms the Hayabusa from a brute force machine into a sophisticated performance tool. The frame remains largely unchanged from the previous generation, retaining the twin-spar aluminum design that balances rigidity and comfort. However, suspension components have seen subtle improvements. The 2026 model features updated KYB forks and rear shock that offer improved damping and adjustability, making the bike more compliant over rough surfaces while maintaining sharp handling characteristics. The Brembo-style MA front calipers paired with dual 320mm discs provide confidence-inspiring braking performance, crucial for a machine capable of such immense speed. One of the Hayabusa's standout qualities has always been its ability to blend hyperbike performance with real-world comfort, and the 2026 edition only enhances that dual personality. The ergonomics remain relaxed for a sport bike, with a relatively upright seating position, spacious seat, and large fuel tank that provides excellent range. This makes the Hayabusa not just a monster on straightaways but also a capable and comfortable long-distance tourer. Whether slicing through highways or carving mountain roads, the 2026 Hayabusa proves it's more than just a speed demon, it's a complete motorcycle. In terms of connectivity, the 2026 Hayabusa comes equipped with Bluetooth smartphone integration, allowing riders to sync calls, navigation, and music directly to the TFT display. It's a small but appreciated touch in the modern era, especially for riders who use their bikes for more than just weekend blasts. Suzuki has also introduced a new app that allows for ride tracking, maintenance scheduling, and firmware updates, all wirelessly, ensuring the bike remains as smart as it is fast. Though the motorcycle industry has seen a shift toward electrification and adventure-oriented machines, the Hayabusa remains proudly defiant. It doesn't try to be something it's not. It continues to be a high-performance, road-focused sport bike for riders who crave speed, precision, and style. That being said, Suzuki has also ensured the 2026 model meets stringent emissions regulations without sacrificing performance. Through advanced catalytic converter systems and engine tuning, the Hayabusa retains its growling character while being more environmentally responsible than ever. Longtime Hayabusa fans will also appreciate the attention to detail Suzuki has poured into this iteration. From the textured seat materials and redesigned switchgear to the polished exhaust tips and laser-etched logos, everything feels premium and purpose-built. These are not just cosmetic flourishes, they contribute to the overall sense of quality that permeates the 2026 model. It's a bike that feels engineered, not just assembled. Riding the 2026 Hayabusa is an emotional experience. The growl of the engine, the rush of acceleration, the confidence in every lean, it's a sensory overload in the best way. But what sets it apart is how composed and refined it feels, even when pushed to its limits. It invites you to go fast, but it also rewards control, finesse, and intelligent riding. This is the true genius of the Hayabusa. It makes you feel like a better rider while constantly reminding you of its own immense capability. Priced competitively in its segment, the 2026 Suzuki Hayabusa offers tremendous value for what it delivers. Few bikes in the world can match its combination of history, engineering, performance, and comfort. For many, it remains the ultimate dream machine, a symbol of speed and engineering excellence. And now, with its modern upgrades and uncompromising spirit, the Hayabusa is ready to thrill a new generation of riders while continuing to earn the respect of seasoned veterans. In a market where many manufacturers play it safe, Suzuki has taken a bold step by refining a legend rather than reinventing it. The 2026 Hayabusa doesn't just ride into the future, it rockets forward with confidence, grace, and the unmistakable howl of a legacy that refuses to be forgotten.